Hello and welcome to Weekly Kashmir University Video Digest Quest. First, a look at the highlights. World Book Day observed. SRC organizes a 2-day medical camp at Gandarbal. NSS plants 3,000 saplings in the college and at the university campus. We also have some important notifications of the university. Now, the details of these events with your host, Rafia Rahim. Allama Iqbal Library observed World Book and Copyright Day. The function was held at Ibn Khaldun Auditorium. Librarian Dr. Abdul Majid Baba presented the welcome address and explained the theme of this year's World Book Day.
UNESCO decided in 1995 to celebrate the 23rd April as the World Book and Copyright Day. This year, 2015, this is the 20th year of celebrations. UNESCO has recognized Korea for 2015 as World Book Capital because they have recognized that they have given their momentum to the book reading to the all people in Korea and especially to underprivileged people of that country. Further, the theme of the 2015 World Book and Copyright Day is Read the World. Everybody knows that the importance of book. We talk during these days about the electronic books. No doubt, there has been a great revolution in the information technology. We have the e-books, but traditional e-print has its own value.
Dr. Abdul Wahid, ex-head of medicine SKIMS, said that although West is far ahead of Asia in the technology, yet the book reading there has not diminished.
The authors of the West are able to sell their books and they earn a lot. They are well placed in the society. When we celebrate the Book Day, World Book Day, we must also take into consideration the plight of authors who, while authoring books, usually go through various hardships. There is an urgent need of redefining the relationship between an author and a publisher. This relation is both commercial but has to be creative. They must supplement and support each other. Authors also have a responsibility towards readers. They price their books at very exuberant rates which are not affordable by the readers, and most of the times the books remain unsold.
Noted journalist and editor, Daily Rising Kashmir, Dr. Shujat Bukhari, said that libraries do exist in Kashmir, but students are not ready to spend time there.
On papers, you'll find that you have libraries at major towns of Kashmir Valley, across state of Jammu and Kashmir. But in practicality, if you go to those places and look at those libraries, people who are employed in those libraries, they have not actually visited those shelves for so long time. And you'll only find dust on that. And there is no updation in all those libraries. And government is spending so much of money. I was myself member of the advisory committee in the libraries department for a long time. And all the time I was insisting them that please let this committee go and visit these libraries and see that how these libraries are functioning. But it never materialized in my tenure of 3 years on being the advisory panel. So the issue is that unless and until we try to make ourselves accountable, who runs that library in a town, in a district headquarter, in a tehsil headquarter? It is someone amongst us. Is he doing his duty? Is he performing his duty? So issue is that there is no dearth of books. There is no dearth of money as far as giving the books is concerned.
Registrar Professor Zafar Ahmed Rishi said, while we should read, research and write, but we must also be aware about the copyright.
The reading books among us, the people, among us masses, among us students. Then we also need to inculcate the habit of writing the books also among us people. That also is very important. Why should we read alone? Why do not we write? Then third important is that we need to actually somehow emphasize the importance of books. And then simultaneously, we also need to deliberate upon the issues related to the protection of the intellectual property rights through the copyright. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't think that it requires any reiteration that books are very important, and they have been important in the historical past as well. Now, whether you agree with the philosophy or not, that is a different story. Look at the book that was written by Charles Darwin, look at the book that was written by Karl Marx, and then look at the books that were written by people of such eminence. And somehow they changed basically the course of history, and this is the power of a book.
Vice Chancellor Professor Khurshid Iqbal Andrabi opined that although libraries have survived, but one cannot overlook the challenges offered by technology.
The technology has wiped out everything. You just name those things that we were so proud of at the time are non-existent. If library has withstood this onslaught from technology, it must have something special to offer. But we, at the same time, cannot undermine the compulsions of the technology. And on that count, what I remain hopeful about is that for sustenance, this classical library setup has to be blended with the demands of the modern times.
He said students should be made sensitive towards the copyright violations.
The sensitivities associated with copyright, sensitivities associated with how we present our PhD thesis without actually caring about copyright violations, is something institution of higher learning, it does not behove well of. I would emphasize and urge Baba Sahib to actually start taking note of this so that people start becoming aware of what to put in their theses, put in their publications, which are not in tune with normal copyright regulations. And these days should basically be celebrated with the resolve that this mission will keep on having its momentum the way it started.
Later, a book exhibition was also held in the library in which books donated by various publishers to the Iqbal Library were also put on display. NSS unit of Kashmir University, in collaboration with Rahim Greens, held a plantation drive in the university campus. During the week-long plantation drive, around 3,000 saplings provided by Rahim Greens were planted. Some saplings were also planted in many colleges of the valley. NSS Program Officer and MMRC faculty, Mr. Tariq Abdullah, told QS team that they are planting saplings as a part of Green Campus campaign.
रहीम ग्रीन्स की तरफ से हमारे यूनिट को 3,000 सैपलिंग्स मिले थे, जिनको हमने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया मुख्तलिफ कॉलेजों में, जैसे अमर सिंह कॉलेज है, नवा कदल डिग्री कॉलेज वुमेंस है, अमीरा कदल हायर सेकेंडरी है, बेमिना डिग्री कॉलेज है। इसी तरह और भी कुछ कॉलेजेस सैपलिंग्स ले रहे हैं और इस वक्त ये शजरकारी मुहिम इन कॉलेजों में भी जारी है। आज हम यूनिवर्सिटी में ये शजरकारी मुहिम का जो आखिरी दिन है, यहाँ पे शजरकारी कर रहे हैं। बायोटेक्नोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट के लॉन के सामने हमने हमारे स्टूडेंट जो NSS वॉलंटियर्स हैं उन्होंने इस मुहिम में हिस्सा लिया। और इसके अलावा जो इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा ताउन हमें रहा यूनिवर्सिटी में वो है डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ लैंडस्केप, जिन्होंने भरपूर मुआवनत की इस मुहिम में और उनके बगैर ये मुहिम कारआमद नहीं हो सकती थी।
Head of Botany and Landscape Division, Professor Irshad Ahmed Nauchu, advised volunteers to make planting of saplings a habit for the betterment of humans.
जिस जगह पे भी हमें एहसास हो कि इस पे पेड़ उगाने की ज़रूरत है, हम सबको मिलजुल के, ये नहीं सोचना कि मैं बॉटनी का हूँ या मैं साइंस सब्जेक्ट को, ये नहीं सोचना हमें, बल्कि सबको मिलजुल के पेड़ पौधे उगाने, ताकि उनके उगाने से हमारा जो एनवायरनमेंट है, हमारी जो सराउंडिंग्स है, उनमें फिर से वही खुशबू, वही साफ हवा चले जो हमने पहले सुनी है या पहले देखी है। इस बात के लिए जो लोग भी कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, स्टेट फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट करते हैं, प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन प्रोवाइड करती है प्लांट्स, हमको चाहिए कि उनके साथ भरपूर ताउन कर दें और उनके जो प्लांट्स हमको मिलते हैं हम उनको अच्छी तरह से सोएं और सोने के बाद ख्याल रखें 1-2 महीने तक, ताकि उनको कभी अगर पानी की जरूरत पड़े या कुछ और करने की जरूरत पड़े, सो दैट जो वो सर्वाइव करेंगे उसका फायदा ना ही मुझे बल्कि सबको मिल जाए।
A few NSS volunteers also spoke on the occasion.
हर एक स्टूडेंट पे, हर एक के लिए ज़रूरी फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि वो प्लांटेशन ज़रूर करे। जब भी मौका मिले आपको कोई भी पौधा लगाने के लिए आप ज़रूर लगाए, कम से कम हर एक फ़र्द को ये फ़र्ज़ बनता है कम से कम वो एक पौधा ज़रूर लगाए।
State Resource Center of Kashmir University organized a 2-day medical and counseling camp at Ganderbal district. The camp was held in collaboration with Block Medical Officer Ganderbal. During the 2-day camp, women from far-flung areas were briefed about the importance of hygiene and maintaining a balance between life and work.
Panun pan thaw maintain kar astal pait pakun ye nawan dapi wal ke chun me ko switch bakar kam bachas sales bu pak nagi ki panu pan thaw saaf मतलब पन्निस खानदारस पन्निस बज इस्लामस मज
गरस मज काम करें सो छ जरूरी घर संभालन सो छ जरूरी बच्चे संभालन सो छ जरूरी मगर सत पनुन पान त संभालन पनुन पान त्रावन ऊर किया।
A couple of 100 women came to the camp on each day. They were also given free medicine. Project officer Ms. Asmat Nakati put forward the importance of this camp.
आज का हमारा जो यहाँ पर ये प्रोग्राम था that was basically मेडिकल चेकअप था और मेडिकल काउंसलिंग के बारे में था। तो इस बारे में हमने यहाँ पर आज डॉक्टर्स की एक टीम को बुलाया है जो ब्लॉक मेडिकल ऑफिसर गांधरबल से आए हैं। एक डॉक्टर्स की टीम इन्होंने भेजी है तो जिनमें हमारे यहाँ काफ़ी सारे डॉक्टर्स हैं, जैसे कुछ गायनोकोलॉजिस्ट आए थे, कुछ साइकेट्रिस्ट आए थे, सोशल वर्कर्स आए थे, हेल्थ ऑफिसर्स थे, कुछ डेंटिस्ट्स भी थे। तो एक अवेयरनेस इन लोगों ने की यहाँ पर और साथ ही साथ उन्होंने चेकअप्स भी किए और डिस्ट्रिक्ट की तरफ से और ब्लॉक की तरफ से इन्होंने यहाँ से मेडिसिन भी सप्लाई किया।
Dr. Sheikh Tariq Sultan of District Hospital Ganderbal said that the camp was held for the purpose of counseling and examining the health condition of women.
हमने तो पहले काउंसलिंग की जो यहाँ पे एनरोल्ड स्टूडेंट्स थे और बाकी जो यहाँ के इर्द गिर्द से लोग भी आए थे उनकी काउंसलिंग की। काउंसलिंग में सोशल वर्कर ने और अर्श काउंसलर ने उनको डिटेल बताया कि वो कैसे हाइजीन मेंटेन कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ देखा गया है कि हाइजीन जब प्रॉपर नहीं होगा तो दैट इज़ द रूट काज ऑफ मेनी डिजीजेस। काउंसलिंग के बाद तो मेडिकल चेकअप में हमने कुछ मेडिसिन भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट की, कुछ प्रेवलेंस ऑफ एनीमिया था यहाँ पे, एडोलसेंट गर्ल्स में प्रेवलेंस ऑफ एनीमिया थे, उसके बहुत सारे काजेस भी हो सकते हैं और उसमें हमने उनको कुछ सप्लीमेंटेशन दी, आयरन फोलिक एसिड की सप्लीमेंटेशन दी और डाइटरी इंटेक के बारे में उनको बोला कि डाइटरी इंटेक आपको क्या लेना चाहिए।
Later, speaking to Quest team, Director SRC Professor Muhammad Akbar Khuru reflected the significance of such activities.
एक दिन हमने किया था इन कोलैबोरेशन विद ब्लॉक मेडिकल ऑफिसर, उसने अपनी टीम लाई थी डॉक्टर्स की। मोस्टली दे आर मेकिंग पीपल अवेयर ऑफ देयर बेसिक हेल्थ रिक्वायरमेंट्स, कुछ मेडिसिन भी प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, सारे फील्ड्स के डॉक्टर्स हैं। नेक्स्ट डे जो हमारा प्रोग्राम है दैट इज a little bit advanced than this one, वो है हमारा प्रोग्राम in collaboration with Cancer Society of Kashmir and State Cancer Institute of Sikkims। वहाँ से डॉक्टर्स आ रहे हैं, they are going to make preliminary screening of these learners। वो प्रोग्राम्स तो करते रहते हैं, तो उससे एक बेनिफिट होता है, मोस्टली दे डू इट फॉर ब्रेस्ट कैंसर। तो अगर कोई अर्ली डिटेक्शन हो जाएगा तो उस अर्ली डिटेक्शन की वजह से, सिंस एवरीवन नोज दैट इफ कैंसर इज डिटेक्टेड अर्ली इट बिकम्स क्यूरेबल, तो उसकी वजह से दिस program is going to be helpful. We have around 100 registrations for this program. A team of around 10 doctors is coming from Sikkims. This is in collaboration with that. तो screening चल रही है, hopefully with the grace of God। अभी तक तो कोई ऐसा डिटेक्शन नहीं मिला है, but they are awareing the people what sort of protections you have to take with regarding this cancer prevention और कुछ earlier detection के बारे में.
He said these activities are done to bridge the gap between society and university.
Actually जो हमारा SRC का domain जो है that is to provide academic support to adult education literacy program throughout the country. तो हमारे throughout country SRCs हैं, around 35 SRCs are throughout the state. लेकिन in addition to this literacy program, हमको Rural Electric Corporation of India ने provide किए हैं funds to establish model adult education centers in various districts headquarters. इसलिए हमने अभी तक तो 5-6 खोले हुए हैं, कुछ हम खोल रहे हैं इन कोलैबोरेशन विद स्टेट लिटरेसी मिशन अथॉरिटी स्टेट के साथ. तो ये हमारा प्रोग्राम चल रहा है. इन मॉडल एडल्ट एजुकेशन सेंटर्स में एक तो हमको बेसिक लिटरेसी का प्रोग्राम चलाना है, प्लस इन एडिशन टू दैट हमको इन सेंटर्स में जो है स्किल डेवलपमेंट के ट्रेनिंग्स देनी है लोगों को, ताकि इट इन द लॉन्ग रन इट्स गोइंग टू बी बेनिफिशियल टू देम फॉर देयर अर्निंग्स एंड ऑल दैट.
Now, some important notifications. The university has released new guidelines governing the 3-year integrated PhD program. The Department of Botany received second phase of SAP DRS Second with a financial package of around 1.2 crores. Academic Staff College released training schedule of orientation, refresher, interdisciplinary and short-term courses for this year. To get complete details of these things, log on to kashmiruniversity.ac.in or kashmiruniversity.net. Dear viewers, we conclude this episode of The Quest with the sad news that Head Assistant Accounts at the university, Mr. Bashir Ahmed Butt, passed away on Wednesday. In this connection, a condolence meeting was held in the committee room of Administration Block, where the university fraternity expressed their condolences. Here are the excerpts of the condolence meeting.
Allah Ta'ala kar maghfoor marhum Bashir Ahmed Savas. तो बाहर का मारून सारे अस इंशाल्लाह तो रच पे वातुन अम बड़ नियामत यह तान विदिन नॉर्म्स हेकान कर करो बाहर क्या कुन साथ तो अम क्या कंपनसेशन वलर कत्या सह तुहज रिस्पांसिबिलिटी टू गेट इट डन क्विकली.
मे बी अमन खुद ये जान कि फ्यूचरस मज क्या तो बह कर मोदी बान गुजारिश जिम्मेदार कि तम नी रस खंड पर्सनल पहन यह फाइल पकन तेज पहन तो ये मसाइल हल
وعذاب النار وعذاب يوم القيامة واحشرنا مع المتقين والأبرار.
With this, we come to end of today's program. Log on to our website ammrckashmir.com to watch the latest episode of Quest. Send us your suggestions at our email ID quest@ammrckashmir.com. Before I take your leave, here are few words of wisdom. Careful with your fingers. Don't touch writing. You don't know what it is to write. It's a crushing task. It bends your spine, blurs your eyesight, creases your stomach, and cracks your ribs.